So how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario, and this is MediaBoxEnt. We're always bringing you the latest in technology. Today, I want to show you another cool Nanny Cam. Full functional power bank. You get the 5 volts, so you can charge your any phone or any device that requires that. Press for about a few seconds, and we got a very powerful flashlight. Let's turn it off. If you press here for about a second, it shows you the total battery charge. If we're looking at from the front, we have the camera. So it's a night vision, and right there we have the camera. It does have a microphone. If we look at it from the side, yes, a full functional USB for charging. We see the N USB, and that's USB Type C. That will be for charging. And by the way, this one says USB. That's a macro USB. That will be to connect it right in your computer. Well, if you want to transfer the videos, there is 2 ways we can do it. One, a simple way, is just plug it in right in your computer, Mac, PC, whatever, Linux. It will automatically recognize as a drive, and you can just move the files there. Another way you can do it, and since I'm going to show you that, so how we get this thing. It also comes with this box, a thumb drive. So take the micro SD, plug it in right here, and just plug it in a USB. Comes with the USB cable Type C, macro USB, and this little thing that you don't need to use it. Maybe the whole model you should use this is for reset purpose. And also we get the full manual. I'll show you how the whole thing works. All right, so memory wise, it does come with 64 gigabyte. So push this up. 64 gigabyte. It supports up to 128 gigabyte. Then we have a switch in 1 and 2. So 1 will be a standby mode, and number 2 will be continue recording. So now, memory wise is 64. You will be able to put about 9.5 hours worth of video. Now the videos are recorded in 5 minutes block. Now if you're gonna set a standby mode, what happened when I did the test, it's gonna record for about, let's say, 40 seconds. If nothing happened, it will stop recording and it goes to a standby mode. So I'm going to press here this button, and I want to show you that. We say that B, some Victor. So we're going to hold it for about 2 seconds, and it turns blue, and it blinks like 3-4 times, and that starts recording. By the way, when it's blue color means it's continue recording. So we'll continue recording up to 9.5 hours, 5 minutes block. When it reaches that time, it's going to go back and delete the first video you record a month ago. So now if we want to use this for night vision, it will not do that automatically. So what you're going to do, you're going to press for about 2 seconds, blinks red once, and now the LEDs are on. We press again, few seconds, and it switch again. How we turn it off? We hold it, it will blink 2 lights or 2 LEDs, hold it, that's off. Now, if you want to turn on motion sensor, the LED will be a red color. So it's an indication that you are in a standby mode. We press for about 2 seconds, red, blinks red 2 times. Motion sensor, we press once, it's going to be still red color. And now we just turn on in the night vision. Now the battery is 10,000 milliamp. For the instructions, both manufacturers should last about 50 hours if you're going to use the camera. Now 50 hours, I will say it will do that 50 hours. So you're looking at about 2 days if you're going to leave this in a standby mode. So if you're going to leave it in a standby mode, sure will be no problem. Now 50 hours, I will say standby mode. I didn't have done the test. How long will they continue recording? But my thing is, you definitely have to go more than 10 hours. You have to remember that also the limitation will be also 9.5 hours, but that will be for looping and recording. So let's imagine I'm recording this way, and you're thinking, when if I go this way, the video is going to be up, down. Now, automatic, change it. We're going to do a test later on, and you're going to see automatic goes, boom, and change. So it has a chip inside, they figure out if it's up and down. So you have to do this way, no matter what, if somebody goes and move it, or if you move it by, you just playing around and you just move this up, it will always be, the right direction of the video. If not, you can always go and edit, right? But in this case, you don't have to. Now, the sound is okay. just remember that if you touch it, it would actually record the sound of me playing with the battery. Really, there is no hole for the microphone. Not bad with the design, but I wish they will make it something more, something better to catch the sound. Let me see. I didn't turn the battery, the flashlight on, so you see the flashlight. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So if you think about it, you have a power bank, you have a flashlight, and never know where you need one of these things. You can hold it this way and be recorded. Just remember to, there is no stabilizer or anything, so if you move, the whole thing is going to move like crazy. You're going to get drunk in 2 minutes. Now we're going to go into the test mode. But before I move into the test mode, like I always like to ask you, just give me a like. If you know somebody needs something like this, share the video, because really, the way I get something back is really if YouTube promotes the video. The only way it will promote it if you guys like the video, and it helps the channel. They bring all these cool things all the time. What we're gonna do now, let's go and let me show you in a test we did with the battery. So we tested the resolution of the spy camera, or the power bank camera. Distance wise, it's about 6 foot away, so that way you can have an idea. And the resolution, like I said again, is kind of okay. So now we tested the night vision, so you guys can check the resolution. So this is a pure 100% camera. So no Wi-Fi, no application or nothing else. Simple. Turn it on, turn it off. Turn it on, record, turn it off, start recording. You want to stand by, leave it in standby. Leave it the way it is, leave it that way, and it will start recording. All right, guys, like always, on the right description, I have these cameras so you guys can take a pic if you want to grab one of these guys. And that's it. Leave me a comment, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.